Something to consider on your chainsaw. This is a pretty large saw here, 76 cc's. Smaller units would have smaller filters. This is fluted. It has a lot of air surface to be able to collect debris. This apart and stretch it out, there'd probably be 25 or 30 inches of area. So as that starts to plug up, you end up with it restricting the amount of air to the engine. A chainsaw runs at about 14.7 to 1 fuel to air ratio. That's how much fuel is coming in relationship to the air. So every time that piston on this saw goes up and down, pulls in and pushes out 76 cc's of air, going down the intake and into the crankcase and then pumped up to the piston. If you start to restrict that, you lose power. Make sure this filter is clean. If you start to limit any surface area, you end up with it running way too rich. It smokes. It needs to be clean to produce the power, the RPM, and the longevity of your chainsaw. Good sawing.